Today, I will review how to create, view, and edit a receipt voucher in the Bookkeeper Sales and Account Receivable module. This workflow helps users record customer receipts, match them to invoices or debit notes, and keep the receipt record accurate. We start from the Yincome dashboard, where the main accounting tools are available. To work on sales receipts, click Bookkeeper. From here, select Sales and Account Receivable to continue to the receipt voucher. Now that we are inside Sales and Account Receivable, we can start creating a new receipt voucher. On the Sales and Account Receivable screen, click New Receipt Voucher. The system opens a new form for recording the customer receipt. First, complete receipt information. Enter the receipt voucher number, receipt date, and check number if there is one. Next, move to Customer and Bank. Select the customer for this receipt, then select the bank account that received the money. The bank currency is filled in automatically based on the selected bank, so users do not need to edit it. The exchange rate is also preloaded from the system, which helps reduce the mistakes. In Bank Amount Breakdown, enter the gross bank amount and any bank charges. The net bank amount is calculated automatically and stays locked, so the final amount remains correct. After the bank amount is ready, click Find Invoice/Debit Note to match the receipt with the correct sales invoice or debit note. The system shows outstanding invoices and debit notes for the selected customer only. Use the search box to type the invoice number and quickly find the right document. When the correct invoice appears, tick the checkbox on the left and click Add Selected. If this receipt covers more than one invoice or debit note, repeat the same search and selection process. The selected documents will appear in the Receipt Details section. This gives users a clear view of all invoices and debit notes linked to this receipt. For each line, enter the received amount in Apply.Currency Value. Then check the receipt summary. The difference value must be 0 before submission. If it is not 0, the receipt is not balanced, and the system will not allow submission until the difference is cleared. After completing the sales details section, upload the supporting invoice or source document in Attachments. Click the plus icon, choose the file, and upload it. By keeping the document attached, the record will be easier to review and check later. Before saving, review the receipt one more time. When everything is correct, click Submit Entry. When the message Receipt Voucher Saved appears, the receipt has been created successfully. That completes Part 1, creating a new receipt voucher. Next, let us move to Part 2 and see how to find and view a saved receipt. To view a receipt voucher, go back to Bookkeeper, open Sales and Account Receivable, and select View and Edit Receipts. On the Receipt Voucher List screen, enter the receipt voucher number or customer name in the search field to locate the record. Click the receipt voucher number in the Receipt Voucher Number column. The receipt opens in View mode, showing the voucher information, allocated invoices, and amounts. Now we have confirmed how to view a receipt voucher. In the final part, let us look at how to edit it when a correction is needed. To edit a receipt voucher, use the same path. Bookkeeper, Sales and Account Receivable, and View and Edit Receipts. On the Receipt Voucher List screen, enter the receipt voucher number or customer name in the search field to locate the record that needs to be updated. Go to the Actions column on the right, click the three-dot menu, and choose Edit. The Receipt Voucher Edit screen opens with the original information already filled in. Update only the fields that need correction, while the rest of the record stays unchanged. After checking the changes, click Update Receipt. When the Receipt Voucher Save message appears, the update is complete. With this workflow, users can create, view, and update receipt vouchers in a clear and controlled way. Automated amounts, locked fields, and invoice matching help keep the records accurate and easy to review.